Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka komiti ka bakerpang ka balakli daw menteri rangba ka jelau Konrad ke sangma Shen kan sa Shong Jingïalang no ban Ïakren Halor ka jingtmu ban wanra Lynti rel hagani ka jela. Yagani layatu daw nong aiktin ka sorkar MDA2 uba poleng do habay Ïakren bat gelat patay kubor. Uba pol ulaong baga komiti kan ailat ya baro ban pensngau ya ka jingsngau jongki bat on khotlot ya ki kenhon ki ba persya ki kenhon ki ba kersan bat ki kenhon ki ba long pedeng ru ban Ïakren Halor kani bat hadien bala bisyar benia ya ka ei ka ba kidon ban pensngau ka sorkar kan sashim ya ka rai ka ba khaddo. Ulaong bagani ka komiti kala ban Shong Jingïalang shua ban kot ubnai yayong. Ulaong baga komiti kepala tau dang Shen kanom dai satiatang na kabenta ki seng sain pertai henrai on kot ya ki seng balang bat kumjuru ya ki MLA ki MDC baro bakin ajing mutlang.
Committee to be headed by the Chief Minister has just been constituted. Meetings will commence very soon. The whole idea here is to allow for a space and a platform for diverse and sometimes divergent views to be expressed. We would like to onboard all stakeholders, those opposed to railways, those who are pro-railways, and those who are neutral to the idea of railways. But we would like to see and view the entire gamut of issues from not just a single viewpoint, but diverse points of view. So these points of views have been expressed by elected representatives, by Dorwashnongs, by NGOs, by civil society. We would like to hear all of those, and at the end of that exercise, the government would then take the final call.
When will be the meeting, first meeting?
According to indications that I have received, it would be before the end of the month of April 2025.
Here in Shillong, sir?
Yeah.
Since this political parties, what about the pressure groups?
No.
You also involve them?
That is a misconception here. It is not only dealing with political parties. We would invite all stakeholders, members of civil society, members of organizations, and also, more importantly, also solicit the views of elected members of both the assembly and the EDCs. No, at this stage, no. We will first seek the views within the state of Meghalaya. It'll be but the process will continue, where we will also reach out to other agencies, which, like you mentioned, in due course of time.